Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to find duplicates on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet and follow these steps. To find my duplicates, I will use an extension or an add-on. To do so, all I have to go is clicking on the extension menu. In here, on first option or the first choice, I will click on add-on and I will get one. Then I will go for the remove duplicates add-on and install this one. After you click, you will just click on install and follow and just accept the terms and quit and wait until it installs. Then you will go back to extension and here you will find your add-on installed perfectly. Now I will click on find duplicate so I can find my duplicates. I will click on it. I will wait for the add-on to work, and here this is the first window that will show. All we have is to choose our range, and I will just click on this one, then click on next. Now I want to find my duplicates, so I will just choose the first one and go for the next, and you go for this, you check this one and click on next. Then I will just fill the color uh, of my duplicates, so I will just find them. Rather than that, you can do like delete some the duplicates if you want, or just clear the values. So all these choices are up to you. But in my case, I want just to find them and then I will decide what I'm going to do with them. So I will just fill the color so I can make them visible and finish. As you can see here, now it found my duplicates and filled them with the color that I required it to do. So now I know where my duplicates are located, and now I can delete them or just leave them. It is up to you. So this is how you find your duplicates on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.